Welcome to the new video for the introduction to Figma. So let's get into it. First, we will begin with the topic introduction to Figma. Figma is a cloud-based design tool that is used for app and web development. It allows multiple designers to collaborate in real time and is popular for its user-friendly interface. Now we will learn the advanced feature of Figma. The advanced feature of Figma that can take your design process to the next level. Learn how to create interactive prototypes, collaborative with developers and design responsive layouts, innovative design skills with Figma's powerful tool and unleash your creativity. Now we will learn the key features and capabilities of Figma. The first key feature is that real-time collaboration. Figma enables multiple users to work simultaneously on our project. Making a deal for team-based project version history is the second key feature. It provides a complete history of change made to be designed for allowing for easy version controls and tracking. Also, prototyping is off. Building in prototyping features to help simulate and test designs. Now we will learn that how is Figma useful for UI and UX designer? First is that customizable interfaces. Figma allows to create interfaces that are tailored after that. The second is interactive prototyping. It supports the creation of interactive prototypes for user setting and feedback. Third is responsive design. It facilitates the creation of design that attach seamlessly to different screen sizes and devices. Now we'll see that is Figma prototype well suited. First of all, there are 150k community members and YRefra is created per day. Figma for collaboration and teamwork. Real-time sharing. Designers can instantly share their work with team members to gather feedback and make iterations. Team libraries. Figma allows teams to create and maintain design systems and components for consistent design across projects. Commenting and review. It provides a comprehensive platform for feedback and review within the design environment. Figma for design systems. Consistency. Figma helps in maintaining design consistency across all projects, ensuring a cohesive brand presence. Reusable components. It allows the creation of reusable design elements for efficient and consistent design implementation. Design tokens. Facilitates the management of design tokens for easy maintenance and application of design styles. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.